Alright. Finna get ready to get your first wipe down, Hermosa. Alright, so y'all, I didn't allow the hospital to give my baby her first bath because she was born with vernix K-cells on her. And I wanted to take advantage of that God-given skin protectant and lotion straight from the gates of heaven. So I'm about to get ready to line the bassinet with towels. I got padding, and then I'm going to put it on there. All right. So this is what it looked like. Got the padding. I'm going to put her on top of it, of course. But this to make sure we don't get the bassinet wet, because we don't want to get the bassinet wet. And I'm going to, ooh, this thing's stocked, ain't it? To make sure I take out a diaper. I'm going to try to get a diaper out. And then I'm doing both. I'm nursing. But until, she adjusts to certain things about my body, I have backup some milk. And no, I'm not team this. But I am... Gotta do what you gotta do. So I don't want my baby whining and being uncomfortable. But I do have my oldest here. She helping me. My husband, he's going to get us some takeout. So yeah, I'm finna get this. Now I think we got everything with her. We got her towel. We do have a washcloth. And this is a cocoa butter bar that I made. And it's all natural. So, I don't have to wash her with the chemical wash. I think it'll defeat the purpose of me leaving the, vernix on them and then turning around and splashing her with a bunch of chemicals. She gonna smell good though, but it's been 24 hours. We left the vernix on. Now we're getting ready to give her a bath. My plans is pulling this bassinet up to the sink in the bathroom, and then too, I could just put hot water in here. So I probably do both. I probably just use this on the sink full of hot water, put our bar in, and go to work. And she got them stretched out. She comfortable too. Look, she ready. She finna be mad at me. But she got her big sister in her helping her, because guess what? She got a bun in the oven too. So this me today, but it's gonna be chilled in July. I hope you ready, Sugar, because you're gonna be on the opposite side. All right, let's get out of the... You ready? I gotta bathe, get that hair together, y'all, because she vernix in there too. She been out. Avocado wash. I'm sorry. So somebody started screaming. They mad at me. But we did get some. So this is the natural bar soap that we was using. It's actually cocoa butter, avocados, and because I made this like some months ago. I'm not sure if I have coconut milk in it or not, but it is natural. You still get, great suds and wash. But I'm about to take this out and get ready to finish her wash off and rinse her with just regular water before I wash her hair. Because I have to show y'all the scalp, okay? It's a square. Feel good on your mama. go. Normally the meshes do this. But not this time, huh? Look. How you feeling, mommy? It's clean.